Hi, I'm Todd, the DIY solar guy. I'm on a mission to help homeowners just like you take control of their home's energy supply and save some serious cash. I'll custom tailor a solar and battery solution that you can install yourself for less than half of what you'd pay a professional installer. If you're excited about that, then please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, the DIY Solar Helpdesk, for helpful videos and tips for installing your own DIY solar power system. If you stick around until the end of this video, I've got a special surprise announcement for you. Hi, I'm Todd from NC Solar Electric here in sunny Statesville, North Carolina, the go-to source for all your DIY solar needs. I've been helping hundreds of homeowners, farmers, and businesses go solar for the past 12 years all across the country. My 38 years of power quality experience make me the right person for you to work with to accomplish your goals of adding solar panels and battery energy storage to your home or business. The process is simple. We make it easy and affordable by providing you with everything you need to design, permit, and install your own solar system, including panels, racking, inverters, batteries, and more. Our engineering support team and I are with you every step of the way to help with any issues that arise. Check out our website at www.ncsolarelectric.com, where you can schedule a free consultation and receive an itemized proposal for your solar project. We provide you with complete design details and instructions for installation on your solar plan set. You'll be ready for permitting with the local city or county authority having jurisdiction. You'll also have the site plan and one-line diagram required by the utility when we assist you with filing your interconnection application. Once approved, we'll supply you with solar panels, solar racking, microinverters or hybrid inverters, safety-tested LFP batteries, and more. And let's not forget about the environmental benefits of going solar. By going solar, you're reducing your carbon footprint and helping fight climate change. You're also increasing the value of your home and gaining energy independence. It's a win-win-win. And when you choose NC Solar Electric, you're not just getting a solar power system, you're getting peace of mind. Our team is committed to quality, and our products are backed by rock-solid warranties. You can trust us to deliver a DIY solar system that will save you money and give you the energy security you deserve. Now, here's the special surprise I promised you. From now until January 2024, we're offering our lowest pricing ever on our powerful plug-and-play HMS microinverters from Hoymiles Power Electronics. That means our best-selling 4-in-1 microinverter, the HMS 2000 4T-NA, is only $381, down from $525 a year ago. Our dual microinverters, the HMS 1000 2T-NA, are only $299, and the single panel microinverters, the HMS 500 1T-NA, are only $189. That's 500 watts AC for less than the price of an Enphase IQ8A. Visit our website at www.ncsolarelectric.com and schedule your free consultation call to get started today. Remember, DIY solar isn't just good for the planet, it's good for your bottom line. Take advantage of that now, while prices are the lowest they've ever been, and then apply a 30% federal tax credit incentive on top of that. I'm Todd, and this is the DIY Solar Help Desk. Thank you, and goodbye until the next one. Y'all take care.